Približava se Dan vještica, pa sam odlučila da snimim ovaj video na tu temu i podijelim ga sa vama. Pogledajte ga. Halloween Day is approaching, so today I decided to record this video and share with you. Watch, please. Thank you. What does mean Halloween Day for you?
Halloween is for children and adults to celebrate the joys of autumn with pumpkins and ghosts and witches and all those fun things that are part of the holiday.
Do you have one message for my followers?
Yes, if you ever want to come and get a wonderful pumpkin, we're at the pumpkin patch. We're here with our grandchildren, and come on out.
Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate it.